Yes people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rome and today I have another sneaker review for you guys. Today I have in my hands the Air Jordan 1 Tokyo BioHacks. Let's get into the review of these. So as you know, the month of September is packed full of sneaker releases. Pretty much a dope sneaker releasing every week, all month. And for me, this was the first cut. These are the sneakers I really wanted. The Air Jordan 1 Tokyo BioHack, and these released on the 4th of September last Friday. They retail for around £140, $160 I believe, and these are absolutely fire. I love the color of this. It's so different, it's so out there. It's supposed to depict what Tokyo is. It's based on the city, but in all actuality this is based on Nike SB Undefeated. I should just say that. It's based on the Undefeated. Keep it going. I think Nike kind of running out of ideas now because they're just making sneakers that are based on the SBs. The colorways are pretty much the same, and it's giving me so many different vibes here on the back. You got this brown, which reminds me of the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. On the side here, this swoosh reminds me of these, which are the Tokyo Japans. So you can see it's pretty much the same swoosh, and I'm telling you, this shoe is absolutely fire. The quality material they use on these is insane. You know what? Let's have a deeper look into these sneakers. On this sneaker you get some really nice colors. On the side, the swoosh is done in this metallic grey. The toe box is done in this nice blue. The navy blue around the toe box is very nice, very premium. Very soft leather here. You come around, you get this really nice midsole in this green, and you get the nice swoosh. And you open it, you get this really bright green. The back you get this nice mocha brown color, very nice. Same on the other side, the Jordan logo, but then you get this nice black suede. On the sock you get this nice pink inside. Very premium material has been used to create the shoe, and you get two pairs of laces. You get a black pair and you get a pink pair. Pink pairs really go well. Hey people, I just want to say thank you for watching so far. If you find the information useful, hit the subscribe button below. It goes a long way in helping the channel grow. Right now I want to talk about resale, and resale on these sneakers are going to be good. They start off really well, but I expect that these are, for me personally, are going to be a long hold. These sneakers I am going to hold until next year. As you know, it's a Tokyo release, and these were pretty much supposed to be released for the Japan 2020 Olympics. So I believe next year around August, September time, prices on these will start around $350 and increase as the sizes get bigger, and that's when I'll decide to sell these. So these are a long hold for me, definitely a long hold. Pretty much the same as these, the Air Jordan 1 Japan Tokyos. These are definitely a long hold. These are supposed to be released for the Olympics, Tokyo Olympics, and definitely a long hold. So if you get a pair of these, any size, GS sizes are better, but if you have the men's sizes, money sizes around 7, 8 and 9, hold for at least a year and a couple of months. So around August time, prices will definitely increase in these to around $350. So that's it for the video today guys. I just want to say thank you for watching again, and please remember to hit the subscribe button below. I can see that a lot of you are watching the video but aren't subscribed, so if you want more content from me and you want the channel to grow like I do, hit the subscribe button below people. Peace.